Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you 4 different ways to listen to music on the PlayStation 5 while gaming. So let's go ahead and jump into this video right now. So it's very easy to listen to music on your PlayStation 5. If you press the PlayStation button on your controller and bring open the control center, on the bottom, you should have music as an option. If you don't, press options and then go to the hidden control centers down here and bring it up from the bottom, just like this. And you can also rearrange these if you want. So now let's go to the music button. So under here, we have the option to download the Spotify application and also the Apple Music application. So I'm going to go ahead and download the Spotify application under here and get this onto my PlayStation 5. Now, if you want to go ahead and download the applications from the store, this is very easy as well. So let's go over to the PlayStation Store and then just type in Apple Music. Let's do that here. Apple Music. And it should pop up. And you may have to tab over to Media on the top here and then go down to it. So here's Apple Music. I'm going to download this also. Now it says stream millions of songs with Apple Music on the PlayStation, all ad free. Now, when you have a game opened up, all you have to do is go back to the music option right here and select this. And once you have this downloaded, you can see all the music generated for you, plus your playlist and your liked songs. Now it says to switch music apps, scroll down to the bottom of the playlist and select a new app. So currently I have Spotify opened up. And when I open up a game, it will give me the recommended songs for that specific game. So for Call of Duty, this is kind of what it gives me. So it'll give me like songs like Start Right Here, League of Legends, Foreign Air, etc. Money in the Grave, Drake. And this should change based off the game that I'm playing. And here is my music for Spotify. I have a lot of Imagine Dragons and 303. And here is where I can switch music sources. So I can switch over to Apple Music real quick. Now for Apple Music, you will have to link your account. So to play a song, you simply have to select it, and you should have options to increase the volume, shuffle the playlist, etc. And if you want to go to the actual Spotify or the Apple Music applications on the home screen, if you tab over to Media on the top, you should be able to see your Spotify application or Apple Music application under here. Just go to Start and open that up. Now the next way I'm going to show you is off a USB drive. And for this, you have to format the drive to exFAT. And when you plug it in your computer, it should just automatically pop up and you can see which drive it is. So if you go to the drive, so I'm using the D drive, select this, right click on it, and then go to Format. Make sure it's File System exFAT. If it's not, go to Format. This will erase all the data off that drive. Then you want to go ahead and make a music folder. Right click into here, go to New, and then rename it Music. So you have the music folder now. Double click in here and drop your songs into here. And then you should be good to go. Now plug into your PlayStation. Now when you plug the USB device into your PlayStation, if you go back to Music under the control center and scroll on down to the bottom, under Music Sources, General USB Flash Disk will now appear. Once you select this, all your songs will be listed under this category. And you will have the same options to increase the volume, shuffle the music, etc. Now the last way to go ahead and listen to music on your PlayStation 5 while gaming is by using YouTube. This is actually really easy. However, it takes a little bit of creativity. Since there is no dedicated web browser application on the PlayStation 5, if you want to play music while gaming, press the PlayStation button, go to the game base, go to Messages, and search for an account to send a message to. So I went ahead and made this account. It's just called Search-Browser. This is my second account I just made, literally to send URL links to, or photos, etc. So if you go ahead and search Search-Browser, you should see them. Then go to Send Message. Or you could do this with a friend, but all you have to do is link www.youtube.com in the messages. then you should be able to select this and go to youtube.com. Now go ahead and search for some music videos, etc. So I have Tom Petty right here on the top here. I'm going to go ahead and select one of his tracks. So when you have the song playing now, press options and go to pin to side. You can go ahead and start playing now and have the music video up on the right side of the screen. Now you can do this pretty much with any website. You can go on Twitch. So it's not just limited to YouTube. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.